Welcome to Food Review with Safia and Irfan. Irfan is trying out the mala beef soup. Please rate this soup.
Out of 10, I'll rate this 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. I too rate it 5 out of 10. Why?
Because the taste is okay, and when you eat it, it stings your tongue.
And there we have it, folks. Thank you for your review.
You're welcome.
Hello. What are you doing, Israel? What? 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 Can you tell me what you're doing?
Playing
What are you playing?
Subway Surfer.
Are you good?
Yeah. I'm decent.
Lies.
But I literally can be there right now.
Uh-huh. Sure. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.